is used for generating electric power. These fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. When electric power is produced from natural gas, the gas is conveyed from the tank through the pipes into the turbine. Here, the gas is mixed with air in order to facilitate combustion. The gas is ignited in the turbine, in which it burns continuously under constant pressure. The hot gases drive the turbine, which is connected to the generator through a shaft. The electric current produced in the generator is then conveyed into the transformer through an electric conduction system. When electricity is produced from oil, the turbine is driven by hot steam, which is heated by burning oil. The oil is conveyed from the tank into a boiler, where it burns, and the energy released is absorbed by water flowing in pipes. The high-pressure superheated steam is piped to the steam turbine, where it rotates the shaft by flowing through the blades. The turbine shaft is connected to the generator, which produces electric current. This is then conveyed to the transformer. The operation of oil and gas-fueled power plants releases substances that are less harmful to the environment than coal-fueled power stations, so these should be replaced. However, burning oil and gas releases nitrogen oxide and carbon dioxide. Burning oil also releases sulfur dioxide. These products pollute the air and are among the causes of the greenhouse effect.